ENN 24 breaking news. Hello, I'm Natalia. Salespeople would like to remotely access data using multiple devices. Do you know any good solutions, Joe?
Bonjour, Natalia. Accessing your data using multiple devices is available to each CACHATTO user. Highly secure, remote access is guaranteed with CACHATTO solutions. ENN Paris, Joe.
Thank you, Joe. Moving on, companies which have strict security policies are hesitant to remotely access their data. What should they do, Joe?
Hi, Natalia. With a highly secure remote access environment, CACHATTO doesn't require any major setting changes on the company's firewall or network system. It's adaptable and compatible with the latest mobile devices. Joe, ENN Cairo.
Thank you, Joe. And finally, system administrators are having a hard time convincing employees to bring their own device due to the fact that they don't want to install a remote wipe app on their devices. How can they be convinced, Joe?
CACHATTO doesn't require any remote wipe app installations, leaving no work-related data on your mobile devices. Administrators don't need to address this issue with their employees. Joe, ENN Singapore.
Thank you, Joe. CACHATTO sounds like an amazing solution. That's all for ENN 24 Breaking News. Have a great day.